Alrighty, hello, welcome to our new apartment. Before I get into the little tour to show you around, I'm just going to quickly try to explain exactly where we are in Hong Kong in relation to everything else. So, just got to grab this. This is right here. This is Hong Kong Island. So this is central in here. This is where Sarah works and where most of the business and financial district is in Hong Kong. And that's where we were staying before we moved here. But now our apartment is actually over here in Kowloon, across the harbour, but still pretty close. Okay. So, like I said, not on Hong Kong Island, but on Kowloon, and we're actually still pretty close to Hong Kong Island. We're close to Kowloon Station, and that's only one stop away from central Hong Kong Station. So it's super easy for Sarah to get into work, which is nice, and also easy for me if I need to get over there for anything. But Kowloon is cool. I've been exploring the last week or so that we've been here. But that's enough for that. Why don't we get into checking out the rest of the apartment? So before we get started, there are two things that I don't really like about this apartment, just to start off with, and I'll talk about one of them later on. But the first one is something that we kind of expected, and that is that it is small. It is a small apartment. Space is at a premium here in Hong Kong. It's one of the most expensive places in the world to live, and we knew that coming in. But it is pretty small, but it does have kind of high ceilings, which makes it not feel so cramped. Okay, so this first room that you come into is the living room, and let's have a look at that. So you walk in the door, and there's the couch and coffee table. We've got the view out to the rest of Kowloon. We've got a balcony out there, I'll show you in a minute. And we got the TV with our little lights and a bookshelf. We actually had this exactly the same bookshelf in Coogee, so yay IKEA. Yeah, we bought this TV. This is a very nice TV. Off of most of the furniture we got in this apartment we bought from the guy who lived here before. So the couch, the coffee table, TV cabinets, that was already here when we got here, which was nice. As was, the big closet here. So out here we have our balcony. It's going to be pretty loud because they're doing construction, but we'll go out anyway. It's a pretty small balcony, not much to write home about, but it's a pretty good view out to the rest of Kowloon. Mountains up there. A lot of construction going on down there. And then down to the garden down there. So this is the kitchen, and the second thing that bothers me about this apartment was this door over here. So to come in from the living room, you come in through this door, and it's a big heavy door, and if you want to keep it open so you can come in and out, or if you're cooking in here so you can talk to the person out there, it actually blocks the fridge. The fridge is behind here, so if you want to get something out, you have to take the door stop out, open the door, and then get something out of the fridge. And it's not the biggest thing in the world, but it's a heavy door and it's kind of annoying, but that's, like I said, that's the only really other thing other than the fact that it's small that really bothers me about this apartment. So what's in this tiny kitchen? That's, let me show you. So we got 3 gas burners, a microwave, washing machine, not dishwasher, kettle, toaster, sink and drying rack. The kitchen also has a door out to our second balcony, which is just a smaller one that I've strung up a clothesline on at the moment. So out of the kitchen, across the living room, we've got the bedroom. This is a pretty small room. This is a double bed, and you can see that there's not much gap in between the walls over here. So it's a pretty small room, but it has a nice big window, like I said, tall ceilings, which make it feel not so small, and we don't really hang out in here. This is just for sleeping, really. Big closet for Sarah's stuff. Yeah, pretty standard. So the last room to show you is the bathroom. First off, it has this pretty cool mirror that has a TV in the middle of it, which I have no idea how to use, so that's pretty cool. We also have a sink, toilet, and a shower. So that's pretty much it. Hope it was somewhat interesting to you. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll probably make another one at some point. So I'll see you then.